Greetings and welcome back to another new video. Hope you all are well. Today I am going to review MallMatic, so let's get started without delay. MallMatic. Build your own multi-vendor marketplace website. Like Amazon, eBay, Etsy and Alibaba. Our software is packed with great features, and we're always adding more. Multi-currency. Multi-purpose. Multi-vendor. Payment methods. Statistics. Rating, reviews and QA. Mobile-friendly. Cart and wishlist. Start and expand your online business. You have the opportunity to increase your earnings by reselling our software. Purchase it at a discounted price of $199 and set your own selling price to maximize your profits. Don't wait any longer, act now to take advantage of this lucrative offer. 100% white label software you can sell as your own. Easily rebrand this software as your own software, sell it at any price you want. Simple 4-step process. Just 4 simple steps and you are ready to start. Set up quickly and configure easily. 1. Download. Buy and download the software to get started. 2. Set up. Configure the software on your hosting. 3. Get started. Get started and explore the new software. 4. Make it big. Make it big and take your business to the next level. If you're considering purchasing MallMatic and would like to give it a test run first, we'd be happy to arrange that for you. Furthermore, we value any input or suggestions you may have, and we're dedicated to implementing them into our software promptly. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us with any feedback or ideas. If you require any assistance, rest assured that our software is equipped with comprehensive documentation to assist you with every feature. Our team is also available to answer any additional queries you may have. We welcome any feedback or ideas you have and encourage you to get in touch with us without hesitation. Stand out from the crowd and crush your competition. Boost authority, build credibility, and magnify trust to skyrocket your results. Check save money by choosing MallMatic as an alternative to costly multi-vendor websites. Check attract more customers, sales and leads without any experience. Check use any currency to sell your products online without any problem. Check digital or physical, sellers are allowed to sell any kind of products on the website. Take a quick software tour. One-time payment border, no monthly fees border, no upsells border. Everything included for just a one-time payment. Normal price $1,800. Now only $199. Price BG. Why you should buy MallMatic now. Full source code and 1 domain license, with all future updates, no fees or upsells. When you purchase our software, you will receive the complete source code and 1 domain license. This grants you access to the software and all future updates, without any additional fees for upgrades. There are no hidden costs or upsells, as a single one-time payment gives you everything you need. Maximize your earnings by reselling our software. Looking for a way to boost your earnings? Become a reseller of our software and take advantage of our limited time offer. Purchase it at the discounted price of $199 and sell it at any price you choose, allowing you to maximize your profits. Don't hesitate, act now to secure your spot as a reseller and start earning more today. As an early bird, you will join our white label software program. Our technology, your brand. The white label program from SoftwareMatic is tailored to meet the needs of software distributors, resellers, and affiliates who are looking to enhance their software reselling efforts and achieve new levels of success. Partner with us. By partnering with us, web agencies can offer their customers a wide range of software products and services, while also saving time and money. Our partnership allows them to streamline their processes and reduce costs, without compromising on the quality of their services. This can lead to increased efficiency, higher profits, and the ability to take on more projects, which can help the agency to grow and expand their business. Try before you buy. Are you considering purchasing MallMatic but want to try it out first? We understand that, which is why we offer demos of our software for anyone to try before making a purchase. Our demos allow you to fully test the functionality and capabilities of MallMatic. We are confident that once you see the power and potential of MallMatic, you'll want to make a purchase. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to assist you. Your suggestions. Our priority is to consistently improve and enhance the functionality of our software by integrating valuable features. Your input is important to us, so please don't hesitate to share your suggestions with our team. We are dedicated to swiftly implementing any valuable ideas you provide us with. You can submit your suggestions to our roadmap, and we'll review them carefully. Features. For the stakeholders. The powerful and exciting features of MallMatic. Everything you need to know about our software. Admin panel. Overall sales. Admin has the option to check overall sales and record. Admin can check sales for any seller store. Icon. User management. Admin has the privilege to add new seller, buyer, or another admin. An admin is able to update user. Icon. Platform content. Admins are eligible to update the platform content like social media links, about page of the platform. Contact and support. Admin is able to reply to the contact messages sent to him. Anyone can contact the admin. Icon. Seller dues. Charge sellers on each sale by a percentage. Keep track of seller dues and send them the invoice. Icon. Currency. Admin can add new currency to the system and set the exchange rates between the currencies. Appearance. Change the theme color and appearance of the platform. Admin is able to update the sliders as well. Icon. Subscription packages. Admin can generate packages for sellers to subscribe and charge them for using the platform. Icon. Setting and configuration. Explore the settings and configurations of the platform and set them according to your needs. Seller panel. Store and branding. Sellers can create their online store with their own branding in few easy steps. Launch your online store. Icon. Product type. You can sell physical or digital products on your store with multi-vendor. Go ahead and start selling. Icon. Affiliate products. With multi-vendor, you can list affiliate products on your online store and start marketing. Service as a product. SAAP has become a delivery model for some businesses, including medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. Icon. Product variations. Your product have different variations like color, size, or weight. This feature is added. Icon. VAT. Value-added tax, VAT, is another option available for sellers to set on their products. Icon. Minimum order quantity. Minimum order quantity, MOQ, is a great way to sell your products in bulk. Sell your products in bulk. Icon. Inventory. Multi-vendor is smart enough to manage your inventory stock automatically as they are sold. Icon. Orders. Manage your orders and update the status of your orders. Auto emails are sent to your buyers. Order invoice and PDF. You can check the details of your order and generate a PDF invoice that you can print. Icon. Reviews and QA. When a buyer leaves a review on your product, you can reply to their review. A seller is able to reply. Icon. Promo codes. Sellers can generate discount promo codes for their products. Offer discounts on products. Icon. Store details. Add necessary details for your store like About Us and Terms and Conditions. Icon. Store blog. Your store comes with an optional blog. You can create a blog of your online store. Icon. Messages. Reach out to your buyers for the new offers, or reply to their inquiries directly. Statistics. Sellers can keep track of their sales. Sellers can download a PDF slips of the orders. Icon. Payment methods. Sellers can enable or disable any payment method in the system according to their needs. Icon. Sales and deals. Sellers can boost their sales by giving great deals and sales on their products. Icon. Multi-level category. Multi-vendor supports the multi-level product category system. Flexible categories. Icon. Shipping countries. Do you sell your products to limited countries? You can control which product can be shipped where. Buyer panel. Icon. Order tracking. Buyers can track the status of their order at any time. Order tracking keeps you updated. Icon. Order history. Buyer can check their order history at any time in the buyer panel. It helps you keep track. Icon. Billing and delivery. Add your billing and delivery details in your account, so you do not have to fill the order form again. Messages. You can contact the sellers and inquire about your product. It's good to know the product. Icon. PDF. You can always view and download your order slips in PDF. PDF is a great way to print or share. Icon. Email alerts. All the import notifications about the order, contact message etc. are sent to your email address. $3.56 trillion. Mobile e-commerce sales reached $3.56 trillion in 2022. 2.14 billion. In 2022, there were 2.14 billion digital buyers. 19.8 million. In 2022, it has all. But does it work? For beginners too? We wanted to find out the answer of this question as well. Therefore, invited ordinary people like you and asked them to use MallMatic. These ordinary people had never made money online. Zero experience. No tech skills. They were the fresh beginners to use something like MallMatic. If it worked for them, then this would work for anyone. One-time payment border, no monthly fees border, no upsells. Ecom sales are booming up right now. And if you're missing this out, then you're missing a massive opportunity to make money online in 2023. Amazon recently hired more than 150,000 workers just to be able to fulfill the orders they are getting. In 2022, there were 2.14 billion digital buyers. They bought online on the internet. Massive opportunity to make money online with MallMatic. And if you're not doing it, you are going to miss out on tremendous profits. In pandemic, all the online stores are getting 10x more traffic and sales now. MallMatic has cutting-edge advantage over other. Shopify charges anywhere from $39 to $399 per month to create your Ecom store. Wix charges anywhere from $29 to $59 per month to create your Ecom store. That's why we created MallMatic. Just a small one-time fee and absolutely no monthly or yearly or transactional fees. Happy person. MallMatic for everyone. Store owners. Product vendors. Dropshippers. Business owners. FB marketers. Digital agencies. Video marketers. Freelancers. Newbies. MallMatic only $199. Usually $1,800, today only one time $199. Sell anything. Our software is designed to give you maximum flexibility in terms of what you can sell. It enables you to sell a wide range of products, including physical goods, digital products, software, and services. It also facilitates the process of affiliate and dropshipping, giving you more options to expand and monetize your business. With this software, you have the ability to sell whatever you want. Your branding. With our marketplace solution, you can create a seamless and professional experience for your customers by running your marketplace on your own domain and customizing it with your own branding. This will enable you to build instant credibility and authority whenever you share your marketplace link. Your customers will be able to recognize and trust your brand, which will help you establish a loyal customer base and grow your business. Newbie friendly. Our software is designed with the user in mind, and we prioritize ease of use and user-friendliness. It is tailored to meet the needs of even the most novice of users, with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate and understand. Whether you're a first-time user or a seasoned professional, our software is designed to provide you with the tools and resources you need to achieve your goals quickly and efficiently. NO Skills. MallMatic Multi-Vendor Marketplace Solution is a user-friendly software designed for businesses to easily create and manage their online store without the need for any technical skills, experience, or additional staff. The software aims to make it simple for businesses to set up and operate an online store, allowing them to focus on growing their business. Need help? Everything you need to know about our software. You can find frequently asked questions here. Do I need to register before I buy a software? What is the procedure to buy the software? Choose the software you want to buy and click on the Buy button. Fill out the required details in the checkout page and proceed for the payment. After the payment, you will receive the software download option in your email or account. Do you help me set up the software on my domain? We offer comprehensive documentation to guide you through the process of setting up and configuring the software. However, if you require any further assistance, we are more than happy to help. Do I get the updates? Yes, every time there is an update you can get it for free. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. Thanks.